friends, welcome back to our channel. Wait. Do bananas sink or float? Let me tell you about that. I would like to share some facts about bananas. Number 1, do you know bananas are called the fruit of the wise men? I don't like bananas. Is that supposed to keep me wise? Number 2, do you know we all share 50% of our DNA with a banana? Does that make me a banana? Is it a minion going to eat me right now? Number 3, do you know why a banana is called a berry and a strawberry is not a berry? Because the berry seeds is supposed to be on the inside but not on the outside. Number 4, do you know in the Philippines instead of putting tomatoes in the ketchup, they use bananas? That's so interesting. Number 5, do you know why bananas are good for your heart? Because they have high potassium and low salt content. Okay friends, now let's check out if the banana sinks or floats. All you need for this experiment is a bowl of water and a banana. Now let's see. It's floating! I thought it was going to sink, but it floated. The banana floats because the density of the banana is lower than water. Okay friends, I hope you learned something new, that the banana floats. And I'll see you next time in my next video.